Welcome. If you want to stay updated with the latest community events happening in Roblox, enabling notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable community events notifications on the Roblox app for PC, using the newest update. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side menu. Here, you'll find the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots or lines. Click on this icon to expand the menu and access additional options. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on Notifications to enter the Notification Settings page. Now you'll see several notification categories. Find and click on Mobile Push Notifications. This section allows you to control which alerts you receive directly to your device, even while you're not actively playing. Within Mobile Push Notifications, you'll notice a list of different notification types, including friend requests, messages, group updates, and more. Look for the option labeled Roblox Community Events. This is the setting that will keep you informed about upcoming and ongoing community events across Roblox. To enable these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Roblox Community Events. When the switch turns green, you're all set. From now on, you'll receive timely alerts whenever a new community event is announced or about to begin, so you never miss out on the fun. That's all it takes. With these notifications enabled, you'll always be in the loop about what's happening in the Roblox community. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, just return to the notification settings and toggle the options as you like. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're ready to join every Roblox community event right as they happen. Enjoy exploring and have fun gaming.